Welcome to presentation all of you. Myself Professor S.K. Sonone from Kekewak College of Agriculture, Nasik, Department of Plant Pathology. Today's presentation topic about the practical video lecture on experiment number 1, acquaintance with microscope and other laboratory equipments. This is very important, how to use all the laboratory equipments. First we will see laboratory precautions. What precautions should be taken at the time of operating all instruments. Each student should observe the cleanliness while working in the laboratory. While working in laboratory, cleanliness is very important. The laboratory instruments such as microscope, micrometers, electrically operated instrument, etc. should be handled carefully under the guidance of teacher or laboratory assistant. Care should be taken to avoid the spoilage of top of the working table and floor at the time of staining. Staining you will see in the next experiments what is meant by staining, gram staining and simple staining. Then at the time of staining you have to take care about table or floor are clean, because in the staining, simple staining or gram staining, some color dye means blue color, violet color, red color indicators are used in the staining practical. Next, each student will be held responsible for the breakage or loss of the any equipments. Any glassware breakage or loss, each student will be responsible for that. Students should attend the practicals with essential material, likewise pencil, razor, needle and piece of a white cloth. These all the small things already students should keep at the time of attending practicals. Then instruction while we are doing practicals in the laboratory, all figure must be drawn with the drawing pencils. Drawing pencil always with you at the time of practical. Get the practical record checked and signed regularly by the teacher in charge in the same or forthcoming practical. Check your practical book or practical record at the time of practical class as well as next forthcoming practical. Assessment of practical will be done on the basis of attendance in the practical and proper drawings. Your practical assessment is on the basis of attendance and your performance of the practical. If a student remains absent for a practical, the assessment of exercise will be done as a 0 marks. Your absentee will be given you a 0 marks. Then what is the objective of these exercise? To get mastery of the use of microscope, which is basis to a through understanding of microbiology. In the microbiology already you know what is the course number and course title, introductory microbiology. This subject is introductory microbiology. So this exercise is very important for this subject or all the microbiology subjects and pathology subjects. To get mastery of use of microscope, you know how to use microscope for other all the equipments and instruments. Principle of these exercise: the lenses in this instrument are so adjusted that minute object invisible to naked eyes are magnified and made it visible. There are two types of microscope in common use: simple microscope and Compound microscope. Only one lens or one set of lenses used in between the eye and object. For example, hand lenses and dissecting microscopes. Then compound microscope. Two or more than two lenses or set of lenses are used in between the eye and object. This helps in obtaining more magnification. For example, student microscope and research microscope. Parts of student's microscope. See, this is the picture of student microscope. It will use in your practical. Parts of this microscope is very important. Part is eyepiece. A single set of lenses placed on the upper end of the body tube with usual magnification of 5x, 10x and 15x, etc. The function of eyepiece is to magnify the object to a certain extent. Next part is body tube. It is also called as draw tube. Tube holding the eyepiece and the objective lenses at the upper and lower end respectively. It is fitted to the arm by rack and pinion arrangement for upward and downward movement. The length of the tube is fixed and it is generally 160 mm. Next part, objective lens. One or more set of lenses are fitted to the lower end of the body tube with the help of revolving nose piece. There are two objective lenses in student microscope, lower power objective and high power objective. Lower power objective, it is having magnification of 10x or 20x, and high power objective, it is having a magnification of 44x or 62x. Next part of microscope, stages and clips. Stage is useful for placing the object slide, whereas clips are used for holding the object slide. Next part is mirror. A mirror with the two surfaces, concave and plane, is fitted to the pillar for reflecting light to the object. Then next part is rough adjustment screw. It is meant for bringing the microscopic object after focusing by coarse adjustment of the microscopic object under focus. Next screw, fine adjustment screw. It is for sharp focusing of the microscopic object after focusing by coarse adjustment screw. Then arm. It is a curved solid steel frame holding the draw tube at upper end and stage at lower end. It fitted to the pillar by an inclination joint. Then next part is inclination joint. It is used for changing inclination of the microscope to a certain extent for easy observation. Last part is the base of the microscope. It is also called as diaphragm. It is a metal disc with adjustable central holes for controlling the quality of light. Pillar. It is also called as pillar and horseshoe shape based. It is the basal part holding the arm and other parts in balance. These are the all microscope parts and their functions. Some additional parts of research microscope having substage or abyss condenser. It is meant for adjusting the intensity of light rays and it is fitted with the diaphragm. Mechanical or movable stage for movement of the object slide in any direction by mechanical devices. Then oil immersion objective lenses. This is an additional objective with higher magnification, that is 90x, 95x and 100x. It is so also called because when in use the air space between the lenses and object is filled up with the drop of the cedar wood oil for avoiding refraction of light rays, and this objective is immersed in oil. The immersion oil is provided for optically homogeneous path for light rays to travel between slide and the objective lenses. Instruction for use of the microscope. Which precautions should be taken at the time of using microscope? It is a very costly and delicate instrument. Handle it with maximum care. Clean all optical parts, mirror, condenser before use. Use separate cloth to clean body of microscope and use separate cloth for the lenses, eyepiece, mirror and condenser, etc. Use the microscope in vertical position. Keep it to face the light source but avoid direct sun rays. Focus light under low power objective with mirror. Do not mount hot or flooded slide under the microscope. Do not use the flooded slide means avoid excess water at the time of making objective slide. Select sustainable microscopic field under low power and then observe it under the high power or oil immersion objective. Never lower down the objective while viewing through the eyepiece. Protect the slide from breakage. First lower down the objective just to touch the cover slip and lift it upward to focus viewing eyepiece. It means take care of slide breakage. Clean the oil immersion objective after use with Xylol and wipe out with the muslin cloth. Turn to low power objective while replacing the slide or closing the work. Other instruments used in laboratory. This is very important instrument. The name laminar air flow provides aseptic condition during inoculation process and isolation process. It is used for the isolation of all the fungus and bacteria and cultured on plates and slant test tubes. There is use of ultra filters. Filter name is HEPA filters, HEPA, high efficiency particulate air pass through the that filter. The filter size is 0.2 micron. Next instrument is autoclave. Name of the instrument is autoclave, used for wet heat sterilization of media and glasswares, but autoclave for media only. Sometimes glassware we sterilize in autoclave and then hot air oven. Standard temperature of these instruments 121 degrees Celsius and standard pressure is 15 psi. Psi means Pascal per square inch. Next instrument is refrigerator. Refrigerator is important in microbiology laboratory because it is used for the longer period samples, bacterial samples or fungal samples stored in a refrigerator. Also other chemicals used for cool the samples or preservation of growth medium and other chemicals. Other chemicals mean at the time of preserve buffer solutions or standard pH solutions, they can kept in a refrigerator. The instrument name is rotary shaker or mechanical shaker. It is used to mix the solution efficiently or it is used for shaking the microbial culture for better growth. This is the BOD incubator, means biological oxygen demand. It is used to maintain or cultivate growth of the microbes. For storage or incubation period given for the microbes, fungus as well as bacteria in test tube and petri plates. When we artificially grown on petri plates, bacteria need incubation period in incubator. Next instrument, hot air oven. This is used for the sterilization of glasswares and it is also called as dry heat sterilization. Name of the instrument, colony counter or digital colony counter. It is an instrument used to count colonies of bacteria or other growing microorganisms on agar plate. Instrument having a magnifying lens and a stage for the placing agar plate, and this is black pen like stick to touch the colonies, and this is the digital display where showing 20 colonies are there. Instrument name is pH meter, used to maintain the pH of various media and growing biochemical activities of microbes. pH meter or digital pH meter you can say. Over 60 years ago, Arnold O. Bachmann invented the world's first pH meter. This pH meter is also called as Arnold's pH meter. Bunsen burner. This is used for the this apparatus was invented by Robert Bunsen and German chemist in 1855. A small laboratory burner consisting of vertical metal tube connected to gas source and producing a very hot flame from a mixture of gas air let through adjustable holes at the base. It is used for sterilizing inoculation needle before and after transferring the microorganisms. Flaming the mouth of test tubes, conical flask to prevent the contamination. Next instrument is, this is the glasswares petri plate. This is regular size petri plate, glass petri plate, used for culturing and growing the fungus and bacteria on artificial agar medium. Size of petri plate is normally 90 mm. Test tube. To conduct live experiment including small microbes or at the time of serial dilution, we can use the test tube. Then conical flask. Conical flask to mix and store the liquid media. These are common glasswares always we have. This is also important thing. Always we have present in the laminar airflow inoculation needle. It is used for transfer microorganisms from one plate to another plate. Then weighing balance, you can say analytical balance, to weigh various ingredients for media preparation or to weigh the chemicals. This is cotton. We make cotton plugs for conical flask, test tubes as well as bottles to close the mouth of the flask and test tubes. We use in the microbiology two types of cottons, that is absorbent cotton and non-absorbent cotton. Ethanol. use for the surface sterilization of laminar airflow. Wipe out the surface of your staining surface, gram staining, simple staining surface, or laminar airflow surface, or you can use for the BOD cleaning and important laboratory equipment cleaning. Concentration of ethanol is 70% because 100% we cannot use. It is very highly volatile in air. So mix 30% of water in ethanol. Classwork for this exercise: draw a neat sketch research microscope and label the parts of the microscope. Already we see in the presentation. Clean all lenses, mirror and condenser with clean muslin cloth. Draw neat sketch to indicate the principle of oil immersion lens. Observe a slide of bacteria with oil immersion technique. Observe other laboratory equipment and study their principles and use. Some work 1 and 3, first number assignment for this exercise: sketch the neat label diagram of microscope and write down all the parts with functions. Thanks for watching this presentation. Hope you all are safe. Stay home, stay safe.